Here are the 5 best whole house steam humidifiers. So, let's begin. Number 1, most popular. AIRCARE MA Whole-House. For those looking for a wallet-friendly option, the AIRCARE MA 1201. This console-style humidifier has a 3.6-gallon reservoir and can cover homes as big as 3,600 square feet. While it is bulky and lacks the stylish, modern design of some other humidifiers, our tester thought it worked well, no matter where you place it. The evaporative technology releases moisture without any visible mist. Not only that, but it's notably low maintenance and can be moved around with ease, thanks to the casters. Number 2. Honeywell Home He280 Whole House Humidifier. The best whole home humidifier is the Honeywell Home He280, which connects to your existing HVAC system. It can be mounted to almost any return air duct or warm air supply to evenly distribute moisture throughout each room. A user-friendly humidity control makes it easy to adjust to your liking. In most homes, this humidifier can cover about 2,000 square feet, but for newer builds, you can expect up to 4,000 square feet of coverage. And unlike portable units, you can have peace of mind knowing your wood floors and furniture are protected from warping, cracking, and other moisture damage. Number 3. Stadler Form EVA Ultrasonic Dispenser Humidifier. This sleek ultrasonic humidifier calls on high-frequency vibrations to turn water into a cool or warm mist. The 1.6-gallon reservoir can hold enough water to cover homes of about 900 square feet. When the tank is empty, the EVA automatically powers down. It comes with a demineralization cartridge and has a hidden compartment for essential oils. Number 4. Aprilaire 800Z 800 Whole Home Steam Humidifier. Aprilaire is known for its high-quality, whole-house humidifiers, and if your home is more than 4,000 square feet, this is the brand to get. The 800 model is designed to be mounted to a furnace, releasing moisture through your existing air ducts. This steam humidifier can cover homes as large as 6,200 square feet. Its dual sensors monitor the temperature and moisture of the indoor and outdoor air, automatically adjusting to deliver optimal humidity. Number 5. AIRCARE Digital Whole House Pedestal-Style. AIRCARE makes the best pedestal humidifier. Measuring 18 by 18 by 27 inches with a 3.5-gallon tank, the EP9 can cover homes as large as 2,400 square feet. It uses evaporative technology to humidify without visible mist and automatically shuts off when it reaches your desired level. Plus, our tester noted that this humidifier didn't dampen anything around it in her living room. This tower-style humidifier is designed to look and function like a side table so can blend right in with your living room decor.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.